Yes.
Yo.
Shit's rolling.
We're rolling.
We're rolling.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
You seem happy today, man. February just started.
Yeah, I'm alright, brother. Fucking my I've got contact lenses in and they're irritating my eyes a little bit, man.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You don't want to wear glasses?
Yeah, I'm gonna need to get some, to be honest with you. I'm gonna need to get some glasses. We'll see.
Glasses and a nice suit. That would have been nice.
Yeah, but my plan is to get my eyes done. I'm gonna actually get my eyes done. You know, laser surgery.
Yeah, you can do that like very cheap in Asia, can't you?
Well, no, I'm not gonna do it in Asia. I'm gonna do it in the UK.
Okay.
I'll do it in the UK. I don't know. £1,000 an eye, I think.
Okay. Yeah, maybe not as expensive.
Yeah, not as expensive as here.
All right.
Right. Let's have a look. So, what are we looking at here? So, anyway, let me go to the Ethereum chart, Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Last time, if you guys were active, you remember me showing you this.
Yes.
So, do you remember I was saying that this is the neckline here? And once it breaks, and we come back and test it and then go. So this is it now. This is basically alt season now. So we've got a impulse correction, yeah. So that's gonna go. So it's basically alt season right now. So I think in the group, we bought last week. I bought Band. I told people to do Band's doing quite well. Where's Band? This is a good one. DeFi project. Well, I'm in that. I think I'm up 20% in 2 days or something. I got in it on Saturday, I think. So I'm up 30% or something like that. So yeah, that's going pretty good. Band's going well. I got in that. I split. Do you know what I've done at the weekend? I redelegated my portfolio. So I kind of diversified a little bit more. So what I've done was I come out of everything. I didn't come out of everything, but what I've done is I looked at all the best projects that I liked, and I looked at the projects that haven't moved recently in the previous month. So the VET hasn't moved, RSR hasn't moved, Ocean hasn't moved. I can't remember the other one, but Curve hasn't moved. So the ones that haven't moved, I bought into them. So they're all starting to move now slowly. RSR is starting to pump. So that's going to be
and this is pretty important. The thing you're touching on there is pretty important. And we've been talking about this before as well. Take profits. Don't hold it to the moon, because there are so many good projects around where you actually can take 50% of a pump, and you can get back into another coin that pumps 50% instead of holding your 50%, and you see it goes to 40% profit down to 30. So it's better to try to accumulate your profit all the way.
Yeah, exactly. So if you look at Sushi, Sushi. So this is start of Jan was there. Yeah. So Sushi since the start of January, Sushi's up 300%. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whereas I was sitting in, where's RSR? So that's up 300% in January. I was sitting in this like some idiot. Like I sat in that for the whole month. So I didn't make anything. I could have been in other coins. All the coins that I wanted to move didn't move. And I was sat in this. Yeah. I was sat in that. You know?
Yeah.
I was sat in projects that weren't doing anything. So now I'm still in them because they're the ones that are going to go next. But I'm in Curve. So this is one that I've just bought. Yeah. That's about to break out. That's about to break out there. Nice little move. Bush, boom. That's gonna go. There you go. So that's it, mate. Pretty much got a full list. So basically, at the weekend, I changed everything about. I'm now in Curve, RSR, Vet, Band, Ocean. Ocean's going to be huge. I don't know. I remember I kept talking to you about Alpha last month. Alpha. This was something different. Look at Alpha. Look. Alpha last month went up. Look what Alpha done last month. Alpha went up
600.
That's not even there. Look. No. Look, if I show you the monthly. Look. See? Alpha went up 1,000% in a month.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Do you know what I'm trying to say? In a month. So I just sat there making no money, where if I put mine in it, I would have 10 times my money. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's got a lot. It's got to do with luck as well. Like if you got to have some sort of luck. If you ain't got the luck,
you actually got to be in the coin. You got to pick it in somewhere.
Yeah, like there's literally hundreds of coins out here. So there's coins that are moving, but you've got to be in them to win them. You know, you can't just be sitting there.
Yeah, but the idea here,
nothing.
The idea here is to find a coin that's for first of all, good project that has a huge potential, and then again, like you were saying, hasn't moved, because if it hasn't moved, there's a huge upside to it now when all season is starting.
Yeah, that's it, mate. It's true. You're right.
Ethereum as well put in a new all-time high, but that didn't come as like any surprise, did it?
Nah. Ethereum is obviously like the daddy. Like I said, I expected that to break out. Let me just show you. Ethereum's just pumping, bro. Like this thing will probably go up to here. This thing will probably hit 10K. It doesn't look far. It looks far, but it's not. Let me show you where 10K is. Look, 10K is there. 10K is there. Do you know what I'm saying?
Now we moved from, like, wasn't it $250 during after the March crash or something like that?
Yeah, it was there. It was look in March. It hit $80.
$80. So it's actually moved like.
It's on a 10. It's on a 20x. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and it's not in a double to get to 10K. It's a double, but it's a.
Well, yeah. From where it is to get to 10K, it's 600%.
Yeah.
Which can happen.
And we already moved 1,000%.
Yeah, and you got, like I said, you got to remember we haven't even really started yet. Like these coins will move once they start moving properly. Yeah, they do 30% a day. Like I was in Band. I got in Band on Saturday, and it moved 30%. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So once everything starts catching up and it starts moving correctly, it won't be hard for it to get to 10K.
No, I won't. And you also have the quite interesting thing happening today. The Michael Saylor conference is today.
Yeah, I was actually going to watch it, but you know what the thing is? It says you need a corporate email. It wouldn't let me sign up.
Ah, shit.
Yeah, the thing is, we've got one, but
was that? Is it 2:00 Eastern time or something like that? So
yeah, so it's like 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Yeah, I do actually want to watch that, but I'm going to watch it. I'm actually going to watch it. Yeah, pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. I'm going to watch it, see what they're saying about it. The thing is, with this that Michael Saylor conference, what he's basically come online and he's talking his idea. He's speaking to obviously a lot of the CEOs and whatever, and he's got his objective is to kind of convince them to put some of their balance sheet in Bitcoin, right?
Yeah, that's the whole idea behind it.
Which makes sense. Yeah, I get it.
And it makes sense. It doesn't just make it doesn't just make sense, but like it makes sense since we are pro cryptocurrencies. But it makes sense because those companies hold huge amount of capital in US dollars, and it doesn't look very good for the US dollar heading into this year. like not fundamentally or not technically. So we've been showing this before, right? Like the technical issues with for instance pound USD.
Yeah, that's the thing with holding dollar at the moment is just irresponsible. Like I said, if you look at the chart, remember the chart I mentioned.
Yeah, you probably still have it.
Yeah, I still have it. Look, so this is the dollar index, yeah. This is the dollar index. Basically, the dollar's there. It's going to go to here, which is 60, yeah? So it's going to lose 30% of its purchasing power. Like your dollar will lose 30% of its purchasing power over the next
2 years.
It's not going to be 20. Let's say 5 years or something, 4 or 5 years. Yeah. So it's going to lose 30% of its purchasing power. So you've got no choice but to put your money in the thingy. Let's say you got 100k now. Your purchasing power will be as if you had 70k. That's what it will be, just by holding it. So basically, obviously, if you're in America, it's not as bad because everything's sort of the same. But when you're trying to do business, trade worldwide and stuff like that, you're going to notice it. So that's why it makes sense. So people.
And all these big companies, they kind of rely on both import and export. So they are like,
yeah, exactly.
Good for them that the dollar is worth a lot.
Yeah, exactly. So they want to preserve their dollar. So all these people that are talking and they've got a narrative of it's too volatile. That doesn't matter because the Bitcoin cycles are only 4 years.
Yeah.
So this is going to take, by the time, let's say the Bitcoin cycle all right, cool, this is a year, and it doesn't go bullish again until 2025. That doesn't matter because in 2025, your dollar's still going to be worth nothing anyway.
Yeah.
So you might as well have it in Bitcoin. Obviously, in Bitcoin, it's worse because it is going to reduce by 80%. Let's be honest, or something like that. But if it's money you're not going to need, it doesn't matter. Like these companies, they've got hundreds of millions of dollars sitting there doing nothing.
Yeah,
just sitting
and
there.
I think, again, like I hate to predict something or be that guy that predicts, but like if we get a push in Bitcoin now and it is going to, let's say Bitcoin were to go to 70k, for instance, this year, I don't think you will see a lower. I think you will see the Bitcoin like when it decreases and the bear market starts. I think maybe you will see it around 30k.
Yeah.
And we'll be trading around there after the bear market. But then again, you have regulations coming in and all this stuff happening. So, and as we were shown before as well, people are actually now sending both Bitcoin and Ethereum to their hard wallets, to ledgers, to store them, to hold them through this bull run. So the demand is increasing.
Yeah, exactly that, brother. Exactly that. I've been studying on-chain analysis. Let me just show if I can show you. I've been studying some on-chain analysis stuff. Let me just. So here, this is what you call this is basically Glassnode, and it's on-chain analysis software. So it basically shows you what's happening on the blockchain. It shows you what's happening on the exchanges, so you can see. Like this is the realized HODL ratio, yeah. So this basically tells you. I'll give you the proper explanation of it. The realized HODL ratio is a market indicator that uses a ratio of realized cap HODL waves. In particular, the R-HODL ratio takes.
You're tired on live stream.
Between 1 week. Ratio takes a ratio between 1 week and 1 to 2 years RCAP HODL bands. In addition, it accounts for increased supply by weighting the ratio by the total market age. A high ratio is an indication of an overheated market and can be used to time cycle tops. So basically, once the realized hodl ratio, once this orange line comes up to here, that's when you need to start thinking and start thinking to yourself, right, well, this could be the top once it comes up here. So until this comes up to the top, you don't need to worry about anything. That's one of my favorite indicators. This is another one. 1 second. 1 sec. Oh shit, 1 sec. This is another one. This is a stock to flow ratio. This is stock to flow ratio. So the stock to flow ratio, SF ratio, is a popular model that assumes that scarcity drives value. Stock to flow is defined as the ratio of the current stock of commodities and the flow of new production. Bitcoin's price has historically followed the SF ratio, and therefore it is a model that can be used to predict future Bitcoin valuations. Yeah. So this is what we're currently looking at the moment. So you can see the top of Bitcoin comes. See when it goes pink and orange? That's the top. That's the top there. So we are, if you want to look at the previous cycle, we're about here. Yeah. So
there's still a lot of room to the upside.
Yeah. So we've just left green. Yeah, that's cool. So we're about here, which was February 2017. Yeah, February 2017, and the top came in December. So so basically 10 months. So we've got 10 months. So we've basically got 10 months from now, 9 to 10 months left of this bull run. So once this is our indication to come out. So once it starts to go yellow, and it's up here, once it goes to yellow and it's up here and it breaks through there over this line, that's when we have to start looking to get out. That's a stock to flow indicator. This is my favorite indicator here. This is called net unrealized profit and loss. So what this does is, obviously on the Bitcoin, on the blockchain, everything is noted. Yeah. So on there you've got every time a coin is moved to a wallet, the blockchain knows, and it notes it down. So it knows the time and the price that it was there. And in between the time in between it being moved, each time it knows if you're in a profit or a loss, right? It knows, the market knows, So this basically, as a whole, measures if the whole network is in profit or if the whole network is in a loss. So when this is red, this means the whole network is in a loss. People are making money, but as a whole, the network is in a loss. So that's why everyone buys when this is red. That's when people start to buy, because it's capitulation. Is that how you say it? Capitulation. That's it. Boom.
Yeah.
That's basically what it is. Yeah. But then when it gets blue at the top, that is when the whole network's in profit. So if everyone's in profit, that doesn't work. Someone has to take a loss. That's why, if you look, the market is in the most unprofitable state for the longest amount of time. Then in orange, it's longer. Yellow is a bit longer. And then look, blue. It's only blue for a very short time. So if we go back to 2017,
I guess you would have your top in December there, when actually everybody was making money.
Yeah, there. So that's when you get out. So I'll zoom it into then, look. All right, see there? Look. So as soon as this goes blue this year,
it's time to get out.
As soon as this goes blue, this is when I'll be getting out. So this went blue on the 6th of December, yeah? So the 6th of December in 2017, sorry, this is when it went blue, 6th of December. But then the top was in on the 17th. So 10 days later, the market dropped.
Yeah, and if we had known in 2017, what we know today, man, I would have killed it. But like,
Yeah.
then we just bought the Ripple and just thought, okay, let's just hold it for forever, never take any profit. And you were the worst one.
Yeah,
probably.
I left it. I thought it was going to go forever. I thought it was going to go up
Ripple
forever,
is
mate.
going to
That's the thing.
$100. Take your profit, guys. Take your profits. Put it into another coin. Take your profits again. Accumulate. And what you actually can do on the way, because this is stuff we didn't know in 2017, that you can also make money on the way down in these markets.
Exactly that, yeah.
You can either short it with futures. That's one way. Or you can trade like we've been doing the last couple of weeks. We've been trading the BTC up versus Tether and Ethereum up. But then again, on to the downside, you can trade BTC down or Ethereum down and actually make money on the short side of the market.
Yeah. So once obviously when the market's on its way down, you're not going to make as much money. You're going to make the same sort of get the gains that are sort of similar to Forex, but you still want to make 5% a month, 10% a month, you can still do that. But yeah, that's basically what it is. So now we've got the indicators that will sort of tell us when the bear market's over. So in between when you're accumulating crypto and when you're looking to get out, I don't really care what happens. I'm just trying to accumulate and take profit, and that's it. Obviously, you got to remember, guys, this isn't a sport. Like, you have to actually take profit. Like, no one's going to be here for you if you don't take profit. You need to take profit, put some to the side. So at the end of the day, if you haven't got the tools or the acumen to kind of know when to get out of the market, you might be stuck in and lose 20-30% in a week. You know, so when these Bitcoin corrections come, they're all 30% corrections. So 30% correction, it's a lot of money. If you got 100K there, you're not losing 30K. You know. So
Urea, are you still holding that Ethereum, or have you sold it? So
my Ethereum.
Nah, there was someone here said that held the Ethereum through 2018, thinking it would go up again, and it has gone up again now. But my question is, are you still holding it?
Yeah, Urea. Yeah, I mean, bro, I'll be honest with you. All this, everyone's kind of free to do what they want to do, but this sort of hodl mentality is forget it, bro. Forget this hodl. Forget hodl. You're here to make money. Like, I know everyone loves it. Yeah, we love the technology and all that type of stuff. That's cool, but we need to make money at the end of the day. So what you need to do is get in the Discord group, and we'll be telling people when the bear market's when the bull market's over. So what you do is click on the link in the bio. Click on the link in the bio. There's Discords in there, and you can come to the. You can get in the group. You can get in the group, and we'll tell you, sort of help you out, even to get out. Anyone else? Yeah, if anyone else is listening on Twitch or whatever, just make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, subscribe, share it, and all that stuff. Yeah, and come in the Discord as well. There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of people in the Discord now. We've got 200 people in there. Going to try and get up to maybe 500 within the next month or so. If you want to invite anyone to the Discord, guys, feel free. Everything's free in there. We've got a section in there where we've got trading robots. We've got a crypto robot. We've got a Forex robot. You can look at our history in there as well. You can log in and see how much money it makes, etc., etc. So if anyone wants to use that, just get in a Discord group and then message me direct. Just message me in there and I'll sort it out for you. What else is going on?
Oh, yeah. It's a good thing you're in the Discord, and kudos for still holding that. Ethereum must have been hard to hold Ethereum through those. When you saw it at, what was it, $80?
Yeah. Was it? Oh, yeah.
I think you said $80 like in March or something after the crash. So if you're holding your Ethereum through that, that's well done.
Yeah, he said
a lot of people that sold with big losses.
Yeah, he said I'm in the Discord. I posted today about making RSR gains thanks to you guys. No worries, bro. My pleasure.
But RSR still has a lot of move to.
RSR is going to 20 cents, bro. Easy. It's gonna go to 20 cents. RSR. Where's my RSI will go to 20 cents. 1 sec. Let me just show you.
Put up your RSR chart because that hasn't even started yet. I remember you mentioned this project to me like in late November or something like that. When it was at like what? It was 2 cents or something like that.
Guys, let me just show you, before RSI, let me just show you Ripple quickly. So obviously there was that pump. Everyone was excited about the pump. It was Saturday morning. Everyone was going, was it Saturday?
No, they announced the group on Friday, didn't they? And like people start buying it on Friday.
Yeah, so basically there was supposed to be a pump on Monday. Everyone was going sick. Everyone was excited. It was like, yeah. Look, the pump was, let me show you on the screen. Look, the pump was organized here. That's where they told you about the pump. And then they wanted you to start buying it here. Yeah. So everyone that knew about the pump was buying it. And then as soon as it got released at 10:30 or 2, whatever time it was, it just dropped off. And if you was in this group, I told everyone, stay out of it. Don't get involved. I put a message at 1:27, 1:27, which is 3 minutes before the pump. I said, sell your coins right now. Sell them. I said, sell your coins and buy band. And look what happened. Ripple just dropped 30% straight away.
And I like when that happened. What obviously happened. I was just sitting in my chair here and just having a really good laugh because you were so hard on that, and the stuff we did on Saturday, I think on the live, it was like almost to the point on the dollar the target where you said it would drop from, and I thought like, oh, now he's going all in on this, but it was a pretty good call.
Yeah, it's gonna.
But you gotta remember, people that organize these pumps, like there are reason that doesn't work because they have already bought so many of the coins even before they announce it. So when people start buying this and they say like, okay, let's do it Monday at 2:30 Eastern or something like that. It would sound something like that. 8:30 Eastern maybe.
It's not.
Doesn't really matter. But
all they're going to do is just exit. They're going to exit and leave you with the bags. That's what's going to happen. And you need to remember, this coin is not Dodge. So Dodge, there's no whales in Dodge because Dodge is a shit coin. But in Ripple, there's people that hold big amounts of Ripple, and they dump the market. Let me show you what's going to happen to Ripple. Everything else is going to continue to go long for the next 2, 3, 4 months. Yeah, and then Ripple will do that. That's what Ripple's going to do. It's going to come down like that. Ripple's coming down here. Once it comes to 10 cents, maybe not that low, but once it comes down to there, I'm going to buy it. Once it comes down to this any sort of level here, 8 cents, 10 cents, I'm going to buy it because that's going to be a good buy.
Yeah, I think that's going to be a good buy. And on this one as well, you can trade the XRP up token. Can you show that one as well? It's just similar with leverage built in.
XRP up. Yeah, so this is you can trade this, guys, which is the XRP up token. Yeah, so it's basically got leverage built in, so it gives you like between 2 and 3 times more money, and you can't get liquidated, so it's quite good. But saying that, when the market crashed on Monday after the rally, I was looking at XRP down and the token was going up.
Yeah.
You know that, Joe?
Yeah. Did you take it? Did you have the balls to take it?
No, I was looking here. I was looking at XRP down, thinking, this is going to go down. And I think it went up a little bit. And I was like, what's going on? But I think there's so many people just trying to sell it that it wouldn't let you, you wouldn't get no leverage on it. So that's what's going on. But anyway, RSI, yeah? What's this guy saying? XRP failed because they said it would pump at 8:30 EST. So everyone bought early, then realized there was no magic demand at a specific time and sold. Yeah, I mean, listen, anyone who knows anything about the markets, there's not enough power to pump that coin. There's like £2 billion, more than that. What Ripple's got like what's the market cap?
Yeah, we were looking at that on Saturday, I think.
Yeah, listen, so we can just do some quick maths, yeah? There was 200,000 people in the group, yeah? If all of them put £1,000 in, cool. Well, what is that? I can't even do the maths. I think it's like 20 million or something, yeah? Like, you got 200,000 people times by every person only had 1,000. That's 200 million. $200 million. That's all. Ripple, the market cap is like 200 billion, mate, or something stupid. Do you know what I'm saying?
I'm posting the market cap for.
You can't move the market. Say again.
I'm posting the market cap for Ripple now.
Yes, 17 billion. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, so you got 17 billion, and then you've got like 200, if that 200 million trying to move the market. Like, you need big capital to move those markets. You can't just move them. There's a reason that these people use shit coins. I made some nice profits selling my XRP just before the supposed pump at its high point. I think I might buy back in at the next low. Yeah, that's good, Danny. Good idea, mate. We're gonna buy back in as well. $10. I'll just put it up.
$10. I'm not buying at $10. 10 cents.
10 cents. 10 cents. I'm gonna get in roughly. So I'd expect it to do something like this. That's the weekly. Get off that. I'm expecting it to go something like that. And then once it gets here, I might put a little bit, and then here. What it's got to do, the general idea around trading. So you need to think about people's psychology, and you also need to think about the structure of the market. So here's the structure, yeah? See this bit here? This is the low. So everyone knows that if this breaks, people are gonna be like, oh my God, it's not coming back. It's over. Ripple's finished. Oh, yeah. So as soon as this breaks, people are gonna start panicking. As soon as that panic, so it's going to come here. As soon as it breaks, people are going to panic. I'm going to buy it right here. I promise you that. I'm going to buy it right there, and it's going to go like that. Boom. That's what I'm going to be doing. And I'll tell you now, this is going to be the biggest gainer of 2021. This one. It's going to drop. Yeah. I'll even go to the monthly to show you. It's going to drop to here, and then it'll just go like that. Not like that. You'll go like this. Done. Easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dodge.
We were
Dodge.
Discord as well during the weekend. You were at least. I was a bit away this weekend, but like to actually make money from this pumps, because there are a lot of arranged pumps. Like they go to a like shitty exchange and they find like a shitty coin, like really low volume.
Pumps everywhere. Look, there's a pump the other day. Look at this little ship. Oh no, it's not even here. Oh yeah, look, here's a pump. This is a pump they done the other day. So look, they done a pump here. They all got in. It went up a lot. Look, they got in there. It pumped up. Look, then it come back all the way down. There's a lot of pumps going on, yeah, but you can't rely on them, because what will happen is you actually lose your money. Like, you only need to lose like two, 3 pumps, and your money's near enough not gone, but you end up losing like half your money all the time. Yeah, I did the same with XRP. Made money back, made back my Dodge losses. Listen, let me tell you something about Dodge. So, see Dodge. Dodge is a shitcoin. This is the thing. Dodge is a shitcoin. It doesn't do anything. It's got no purpose. But the issue with Dodge is, yeah, one thing about Americans, whichever route is the most entertaining, Americans will take it. So it won't surprise me if Dogecoin is your coin, like an American coin, like it's the great coin of America. Yeah, that's what Dodge will do. Dodge will listen. I've tweeted the other day. Dodge will be on the front of the New York Times this year. I promise you that. Dodge will be on the front of the newspaper. Someone will call it Dogecoin. It'll be like Dogecoin, the coin of America. Yeah, and they're all going to be buying it. But the problem with Dogecoin is it doesn't do anything. So when you're stuck in it, you're just paranoid and you have to come out. With like, let's say like with Ocean and ARV and RSR, if it pulls back a bit, it's not the end of the world, because you trust the fundamentals behind the coin. With Dodge, you don't trust it. So you can't stay in the coin because it doesn't do anything. So you need to not trade Doge.
Joke as well.
Pardon?
It was created just for fun, wasn't it? For no reason.
Yeah, but listen. I kid you not. Doge will hit $1. Doge will hit $1 this year, but I'm not trading it. But for the sheer fact that Americans are so gassed over it, yeah. You got TikTok, all these little TikTok kids talking about Doge this, Doge that. Doge is gonna go to $1. I promise you that. Doge will go to $1. But I'm not trading it because.
Have you seen those? Have you seen those crypto? TikTok investors or what they could call themselves, and they were like,
yeah.
Oh well, just I'm buying a stock that goes up, and I stay in it, and I sell it when it goes down. Oh,
yeah,
what a
nice
strategy!
What a shit little strategy, bro. That's how it goes. These guys are terrible, mate. These guys are absolutely terrible. What was I gonna say? Yeah, Doge is a meme coin. Yeah, I would stay away from Doge. The thing is with us, see the projects that we trade in this group, in our Discord, they're all proper projects. So it doesn't matter if you get in it at the wrong time. You can stay in it and be comfortable. RSR will change the world. RSR is going to change the world. Go and watch the video in the group and find out about RSR. Do your homework. RSR is a proper coin. What is it now? 4 cents? 2 cents?
RSR?
Yeah, RSR is cheap right now. It's got to be 2 cents. Yeah. Yeah, all right, cool. RSR is 4 cents, bro. RSR will go to 50 cents. Easy. We'll go to 50 cents, bro.
It's a big project, and we've been talking a bit about SNX as well, synthetic network token.
Yeah. SNX is
it's now it's quite expensive, but
it's SNS it's basically a liquidity. It's basically a liquidity project. So one thing at the moment, I don't know if you lot know, but obviously all this Wall Street, what's it called? Wall Street boys, Wall Street, what are they called? Wall Street bets.
Yeah.
So these Wall Street bet guys, what they're doing is they're done with their thing and they try to battle the hedge funds, whatever. Now the problem is their broker. What happened was the broker, Robinhood, stopped them from selling out. So basically they fucked them all over, which was cool. But now everyone's looking for another exchange. That's big now. So you got Coinbase is the #1 exchange. So all these people are now looking for new apps to use. So any exchange is bullish right now. Uniswap, SNX, FTX, any exchange is bullish. Like any exchange, everyone is coming over from stocks, GME, all that nonsense is coming over to crypto. So all the exchanges are bullish right now. Every single one. Every single one.
Do you recommend staking any coins right now?
DOT. Yeah, on Aave. You can stake on Aave. If you're gonna stake, yeah, you do it on Binance or you do it on Aave. I'll show you Aave. If you got any one sec. If you're gonna stake, do it on here. So basically this is Aave. This used to be called ETHLend, yeah. So this is like the top, this is like a top lending provider, yeah. You can stake here. So this is the safest one as well. It's proper. This is Mark Cuban's got his money in here. So look, if you stake, these are the rates. So if you deposit, you get that's how much you get. So it's pretty good, to be fair. It's pretty good. But the problem is it's good now because the markets are going up. No one who's going to put their dollars in here and make 30% a year when you know that you can get in crypto and make more, you know? So that's what's going on right now. But this is what people are staking. So this is why all the banks are fuming because look, you can put your coins in the bank, dollars, and you can get 10% a year. Your bank will giving you 1%.
Yeah.
Your bank will literally giving you 1%. So now you can do the same thing and make 10%. If you want to do SUSD, look, 30% a year. So you can stake here. This is on Binance. You can also stake, but I don't know too much about it. But I'll tell you another thing. A lot of these guys are doing. Let's say you've got 100K, yeah. These guys will lend you 75% of the value of 100K. So you give these guys 100K. They put, let's say 100K of Bitcoin, yeah. All right, cool. Let's say you give them 2 Bitcoin. So you give them 2 Bitcoin. No, actually, let's do it differently. Let's say you give these guys 4 Bitcoin. Yeah, you give them 4 Bitcoin. They lend you. They keep your 4 Bitcoin in trust in the stake. They lend you 3 Bitcoin. Yeah, so you've now got 3 Bitcoin that you're borrowing off them. You get that 3 Bitcoin, put it into Binance, buy some alts. Yeah, you turn that 3 Bitcoin into like 6 Bitcoin because you're using alts. Yeah, then at the end of the year, you take your 6 Bitcoin out. You've got 6 Bitcoin profit. You got to pay back the interest that you've been charged, probably, which is like 1 Bitcoin. And then obviously you've got the rest of your profit left, and you get your other 4 Bitcoin back that you staked with them. That's what people are doing. They're literally using their money to borrow money and buy more crypto. It's crazy.
Yeah,
that's what people are doing right now. It's kind of crazy, bro. What are we looking at now? What was I going to show you? Oh, my mate's in a project. Oh, one sec. Right. Yeah, that's a shitcoin that's been pumped. Link. This is a good project. Link. There's a lot of good projects out there, guys. Like, there's no at the moment, you don't have to be some special guy to sort of make money. Anyone can make money right now. You just need to know what to buy. Link. That's a big one. Uniswap is a big exchange where all like the early projects come out. Uniswap, that is sick. Good project. Sushi Swap, same thing. All these projects are DeFi and they're all powerful. That's sort of the way to go at the moment. So you've got Sushi. Band is one that I told you about the weekend. This is what I'm in. Since I got in this, literally since I got in it, I'm up 30%. It's good. It's a good one. Curve. This one's gonna break out. That's pretty good. It's pretty good at the moment. I've also got a portion of my portfolio in Ethereum at the moment. So I've got some Ethereum in my wallet, and me and Joe made a robot. And what the robot does is it trades shitcoins against Ethereum. So it will buy another coin, wait for that coin to go up against Ethereum, and then it will come out and then go back into Ethereum. So it will make you Ethereum. So let's say you start the year with 10 Ethereum. Yeah, you got 10 Ethereum. This robot will make you like 1 Ethereum every week. So every week you'll make 1 Ethereum.
Or every month. You don't know.
Yeah, or every month. Yeah, you make you 1 or whatever, half an Ethereum a week, 1 every week, whatever. Yeah. So your Ethereum, let's say you start now. Yeah. Let's say you got 10 Ethereum. By the end of the bull run, you can have 25 Ethereum, 30 Ethereum.
Yeah.
So you've gone in a year. You've gone from 10 Ethereum to having 30, and also the amount of the dollar amount of Ethereum's also gone up. So at the moment, Ethereum it's 1,400 whatever. By the end of the year, it'll be 8,000. Do you know what I mean? So you're making double the gains. Crazy. So that's what's going on. We've got robots. We've got a Forex robot making 10% a month. We've got crypto robots making quite a lot as well. It's a bit more variable though. So anyone who wants to get involved, get in the link, get in the Discord. In the Discord on the left, there's a section that says premium trading. Go in there and you can read the details in there.
Yeah.
Any questions you got as well, you can ask. What else you got to say, Joe? What else we got to look at?
There's not much
more.
more.
There's a project. Wait a minute. Wait. Let me just show you. Let me just show you a lot. Let me show you a project. I've got a special project. I've got a special project for you guys. You got to keep this one secret. Oh, it's gone. Where is it? For fuck's sake. Ooh, what's going on? Well, I don't think I've got. What was it called? One sec. Oh, one sec. Let me just look for it. Sorry, I've got a project you can get in that is. Well, I've got 2 projects actually. One sec. The link. Let's have a look. Right. Just trying to show you guys what's going on. I've got a. Oh, here you go. Got it.
Perfect.
So there's a pre-sale. Basically, there is a new exchange coming out. There's a new exchange coming out, and it's basically comes underneath Binance. So the guy that owns Binance is bringing out another exchange. I'm not going to tell you that what it's called, but I'll put it in the Discord in a minute. It's a pre-sale as well, and it's on Binance. I'll read a little bit to you about what it is. So on the website, it describes itself as a smart exchange ecosystem, a new class of digital asset exchange that provides global traders and retail investors with access to exciting blockchain projects through the combined functionality of secure exchange and decentralized AI-driven social sentiment indicators and Binance level liquidity. So basically that's what it is. It's a new exchange. And what they're going to be doing is when new projects come out, if you're on that exchange and you hold some of their token, you can get in early on some of the exchanges. So what they're doing is now there's more of like a, so you know how now if a project comes out now, you don't really know if it's legit. They're coming out with some sort of protocol. So whereby if a new project comes out, if it's on, there's an incubator and everyone can sort of like vote on it or whatever they think about it. And then you get a chance to invest in it as well. So that's a good project. It's going to be, it's basically underneath Binance as well. It's like their sister exchange. So it's going to be huge. So that's going to be a good one to buy into. I'll send the link in the Discord group. You can get into that. I've got another one as well, but I can't remember the name of it. But I'll post that in the
Discord group.
Yeah, I'll post that in the
Is it good to get into CRV now?
Yeah, CRV. I got in it 2 days ago. Lovely.
Huge
Is
potential.
that what you said? One sec. One sec. So you guys, you recommend to stay good to get into CRV? Yeah, CRV is cool. That's a good one. I'm actually in CRV right now. Everything's good to get into now. This CRV is going to do this. Look, CRV will do exactly this. Yeah, and it'll break that, and it'll go poof, and it'll shoot off. CRV, was it $2? That'll do a 10x. That'll do a 10x. It's another good project. There's a lot of if I can show you Glassnode. Ooh, if I can show you. So basically, Binance on exchanges. So basically, what's happened is, look. So this line here, this is the balance on exchanges. Yeah. So this is the balance of Bitcoin sitting on exchanges. So it's been going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Now, because we're in a bull market, yeah, we're in a certified bull market, the amount of money on exchanges is going down because people are buying it off the exchange, then they're sending it and putting it on their private wallets. That's what people are doing. So you can literally see the money coming out of the, you can see the money coming out of the exchanges. This is also another metric. This is all the addresses with 10K or more. This is all the addresses with, one sec. This is all the addresses with 10,000 Bitcoin, I think. Number of addresses with balance 10K. Yeah, is that it? Yeah. So this is a number of addresses with the balance over 10K. But look, you'll see it's going down because people what they're doing is they take their money off. People that have got 10,000 Bitcoin or whatever, they don't leave their money on fucking Binance, you know? They take it off the exchange. So that's you can see it there. As price goes up, people are taking their money off the exchange and putting it in like cold storage or whatever. So yeah, that's another metric. You got anything to go through, Joe?
Nah, I'm quite done now. We've been going on for 50 minutes or something, so
You done, yeah?
maybe should save some bullets for tomorrow, or maybe is it Wednesday today? So maybe tomorrow, Friday.
Yeah, guys, if
you have any questions you would like just to take up, or any theme or anything, just post a message in the Discord group or something like that, and we're very happy to discuss that. Or you have a question, shoot it here. But I know a lot of people watches this after the stream, so it's not that easy to ask the questions
there. Yeah, jump on. Yeah, no worries, brother. He said thanks, Joe. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, get in the Discord, guys. If you're already on it, if you want to share the link with your friends or whatever, that's cool. Share the Discord, subscribe to the channel on anything, and share it, like it, whatever. Get the algorithm going. Yeah, guys, we're working on a few robots at the moment, some crypto robots. They're going quite well. So once the crypto robot's ready, or anyone wants to use it, let us know and we can help you out.
Yes, and enjoy your evening or day or night or wherever you are in the world.
Yeah, guys, okay. We'll speak to you soon, yeah?
Yes, speak soon.
Take care, guys.
Bye, guys. Sayonara.
Thanks for tuning in.